for them. The principal goal of education is to create men and women who are capable of doing new things. Nothing can add more enthusiasm to students' life than recognizing and awarding their efforts and talent. The trust and the confidence of the parents who admitted their children to get groomed and nurtured mentally, physically, emotionally, and educationally is an indication of remarkable commitment of the school in providing quality education and grooming skill of children. Decent is committed to develop each child into an individual who would excel in his chosen field and will be ready to face the global challenges. Decent, not just a school, but a different school of thoughts. We encompass a proper perspective that appreciate the freedom of thoughts of young, curious minds without losing the sight of their social, cultural, and religious background. Decent has a quest not only for quality education, but also for providing all-round brilliance through balanced schooling. Decent, vivid type of creative and innovative teaching techniques conquered tender love of each child to opt the academic with love to learn. As a child show inclination to learn, Decent starts to develop his hidden potential and talent, which was otherwise a very difficult task before joining Decent. Parents do admire and whisper. At Decent, children learn to get along with their classmates, teachers, and remain cheerful and cooperative, courteous, and curious. Decent visualize that intelligence, good personality, self-confidence, nice behavior, and good communication skill are the main tool for achieving the success in all spheres of life. Decent gets along with the children and sharpen them in all fields of real life so that they may be ready to face challenges of life by getting nurtured by all-round brilliance through balanced schooling. We believe that every individual has inborn talents which can be discovered, nurtured, and developed when they are given a stimulating and developmentally appropriate environment. Education has acquired a new meaning in today's world of competition. The horizon of life has widened immensely, providing new opportunity in all spheres of life. Education is not filling the child mind with formal and academic knowledge, but also to recognize the child creativity, physical fitness, imaginative skill, and much more. Now it's an immense pleasure to announce that all the special guests of the evening are among us. Mr. Devi Singh Ji, our chief guest, our distinguished guest, Dr. Meena Gupta, retired professor of Daulat Ram College, Dr. Gobinder Singh, retired DDE from Northwest B District, Mr. Anil Kumar, DEO of Zone 13, Mr. S.P. Gupta Ji, and Principal of neighboring school. We heartily welcome them in Decent Public School. Now, Madam Principal will honor all the chief guests and the special guest of the evening. Our principal ma'am is honoring the special chief guest of the evening, Mr. Devi Singh ji. A loud clapping. Our principal ma'am and director sir are honoring Mr. Anil Kumar ji.
Please give a huge round of applause, please.
Of the school are going to honor Dr. Meena Gupta, a loud clapping. They're the distinguished guest of the evening. They are the strong pillar of our school. They always provide a helping hand to our madam principal. Our ma'am is going to honor Mr. S.P. Gupta, Mr. S.P. Gupta ji, social worker. A loud clapping. So experienced, so distinguished. Our ma'am is going to honor Mr. S.N. Goyal ji. A loud clapping for him. Mr. Garg ji. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So, busy schedule for watching the performance of these Indians. So, loud clapping for the honor. She's going to read the report of this year. I request Madam Principal to please come on the dais and grace the function by giving the report of the year.
I, Renu Gupta, Principal, Decent Public School, heartily welcome our Chief Guest, Shri Devi Singh ji, DD Northwest P, Distinguished Guest, Dr. Meena Gupta, Professor D.R. College, Delhi University, Shri Anil Kumar ji, DEO, Zone 13, Principals of my neighboring schools, Mr. Garg, Mr. S.N. Goyal ji, Shri S.P. Gupta ji, social worker, our chairman, Shri C.A. Jindia ji, MD Shri Basant Gupta ji, society members, parents, teachers, students, staff and august gathering. Please hall की एक लाइट दे दें. We are celebrating our annual function. I may remind that our first function in 2006 was Prayas. Second annual function in 2008 was Jagriti. Today, we have named our function third annual function Sankalp, which means a pledge to save environment, the urgent need of the day. Decent Public School, a senior secondary school, got recognition from the Department of Education in 2004 and secured affiliation from the CBSE in all the streams: science, medical and non-medical, commerce and humanities, with computer science as a subject in 2006.
आएगी ना यहाँ से
School is being managed by Decent Educational and Child Development Society with the child-centered philosophy. They believe that each and every child is unique. Physical environment of learning should be safe, stimulating and developmentally appropriate. Success of the program lies in the dedicated staff. Teachers should be supported by the resources, freedom, training to create a unique learning atmosphere for their children. Parents play the most important role in the growth of child life. Sir, we profess education as quest for excellence. We are the master of recognizing the hidden potentials of the children and can channelize the same by giving them freedom to explore and experiment. We always endeavor to promote the children with defined moral values. We visualize that intelligence, self-confidence, pleasing personality, good human behavior, and good communicative skills are the main tool for achieving the success in life. Decent is all about it. You can see today's Decentians are performing so many programs in front of you without any hesitation, fear, with a lots of confidence and discipline. Our teachers get along with children and sharpen them not only in academics but also in all fields of their life. This makes them ready to face the challenges of life. We nurture their all-round development through balanced schooling. Decent is not only a school, it is a different school of thought. We always ensure that no child is left behind. It is very important. We should know what we teach, but it is more important how a child learns. In today's time, students love to learn through logic and reasoning. At Decent, we always endeavor to develop good values, strong foundation, and good expression through different types of activities throughout the year. It is a matter of great pride that our students have shown good academic results during last year. In 2009, Sagar Singhal topped non-medical by securing 96% marks in 12th CBSE. He secured 98% in mathematics, 95% in physics, 95% in chemistry. Moreover, he secured merit position in different competitive exams. He is now pursuing his BTech with computer science in prestigious IIT Delhi. Rubal Singla joined IIT Indore, Saurabh Ras IIT Patna, and many of our other students got admission in different engineering colleges through direct competition. In commerce stream, Anurag Gupta topped by securing 93% marks. He secured 95% in accounts and then 95% in mathematics. Swati and Paras Wadhwa topped this year. Both Paras and Anurag got selected in CPT. They have joined ICAI for Chartered Accountancy course. Many more students joined Delhi University in many different courses and are performing well. Some have joined the IP University for BBA, BBE courses in reputed institutes through competition. Devesh, Aarti and Sachin of class 10th secured A1 grade in mathematics and SST. Tamanna of class 10 secured Student of the Year award from Times of India. In all other classes also, many students are showing above 90% result. For a smooth functioning, we divide the school in 3 levels: Montessori, Junior and Senior. We follow the tailor-made curriculum to suit the various needs of global child. We have house system to develop the administrative skills among the students. In the forthcoming year, we have planned to introduce some new courses like FMM, Media and Photography, Fashion Designing, after securing affiliation from CBSE. This year, we will enhance the sports activities also. Our students are expert in skating, taekwondo, etc. Art and craft activities are the regular feature of the school. Decent is becoming popular nowadays due to wide array of activities. Apart from classroom teaching, Decent imparts guidance to students on career selection, physical fitness, personality development, communicative skills, social conduct, shaping confidence, and peer group interactions. We like to develop our students a powerful character with a strong sense of duty. Today's show is the live example in front of you. In the last, I like to thank my teammate, Shri Basant Gupta ji, my team leader, Shri C.L. India ji, for their unconditional, untiring, all-time support for the development of the school and students. Its live example is our colorful newly arrived swing for junior students, skating ground, sports ground, and 2 more floors in the new building. I am thankful to my dedicated teachers for achieving this wonderful result in the previous years and hoping for the same in the coming years. I am thankful to my staff and administrative staff to make this function a success. I am thankful to my distinguished guests, parents, students, and august gathering for their precious time with their spared for watching and appreciating this function on this auspicious day of Annual Day celebration. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2011. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A loud clapping for such a dedicated principal.